Our newest listing is literally a stone's throw from Kempenfelt Bay, the beautiful shores of Lake Simcoe. All that and more on today's episode. Now, Adam, we find ourselves back in beautiful downtown Barrie. We're only a few steps away from our newest listing here at Lākhouse Condominiums. What I love so much about this particular location is the walkability to all the wonderful restaurants, shops, and little boutiques here. It's such a great feel overall. I love 147, Il Buco, and Bayside variety for restaurant choices just within a few minutes from your front door. And over and above that, we have some fantastic clothing shops. Check out this little Chasing New York right here. We also have wonderful pubs and things like Homestead Bakery and, wait for it, J'adore Cheese, my favorite.
That's right, Barrie's downtown honestly could not be more vibrant than it is right now. And that is literally just steps outside of your front door from 185 Dunlop Street and Lākhouse Condominiums. But we are overlooking by far the best resource that is right outside your front door. Hang on one sec. Now that's better. So here we are literally at the front of the building now, which is Barrie's beautiful waterfront. There is no building in Barrie that has vistas like this. Nothing that even comes close to the proximity to the waterfront here. Absolutely incredible. So out your back door, you have Barrie's beautiful downtown, and out your front, you have the incredible waterfront. It does not get much better than this.
You got it, Adam. Welcome to our newest listing, 185 Dunlop Street East, Suite 521. Welcome to Suite 521 at the newly constructed Lākhouse Condominiums. The suite is open concept and design, 9-foot ceilings, over 1,100 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, has a huge balcony space that's fully enclosed. Check out these luxury finishes.
Luxury finishes is right on. This one has absolutely everything that you're looking for. You have a perfect mix of wide plank laminate flooring with concrete look tile throughout the entire unit. You have modern flat face cabinetry in the kitchens and baths and quartz counters on all of the hard surfaces. Not to mention this floor to ceiling window package in behind me here, which gives you beautiful views over Barrie's downtown. But you absolutely have to see this primary suite.
You nailed it, Adam, when you called it a suite. It actually feels like a suite in this space. There's a ton of room. It's a full wall of glass in behind me, as you can see. Walk-in closet and full 4-piece ensuite.
So there's so much to love about this unit, but it really doesn't end inside. Probably one of the best parts about it is this incredible oversized balcony that we're standing on right now. You have access to this both from the living room and also from the primary bedroom of this unit. And the views here are absolutely spectacular. You're looking out over downtown Barrie as well as east towards Barrie's Old East End and some beautiful treetop canopy. But there's something truly unique about this balcony. Why don't you tell us a little bit more about that?
So Adam, what I particularly love here is this enclosed balcony system is perfect for 4-season living. If you happen to want to be in the springtime and it's a beautiful day out there, you can literally open up this entire wall of glass here. You know, Adam, what I particularly love about this 4-season enclosed balcony system is the ease of which you can actually open it up and let the sun shine and the fresh air blow in. Sure, if it's wintertime and it happens to be a little on the chill side, you can actually have some heat out here and enjoy this in the wintertime. But in the spring and summertime, you can open up this whole wall of glass and let the sunshine and the breeze blow right in. Now, we are the Knowles Woolsey team. We know Lākhouse Condos. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.